How to transfer money from Bitget to bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can transfer money from Bitget to bank account. So without any further delay, let's begin with it. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to transfer money from Bitget to bank account, there are certain process you need to follow. First of all, open the Bitget app. After opening the Bitget app, you just need to tap on the square at the top left. After that, under popular, you will be able to see sell. Just tap on sell. So here, you just need to go to this tab on three dot first of all, and you need to engage your bank account. For that, you need to tap on this payment method by tapping on that three dot, and there you need to fill up your bank details, everything. And after that, you just need to get back to P2P pays, and there just select the merchant to whom you're going to sell, and in return you're going to get money in your bank account. So therefore, by following those methods, you can transfer money from Bitget to bank account easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.